How's it going, guys? So I'm here at Fox Creek. It's a bloody beautiful day, perfect conditions. About to hit a new track called the Duck's Gut. So we've only opened up the bottom 2/3 and they're still building the rest of it here up to Croft Road, I'm guessing. And pretty sure I'll just call this a blue trail, and I'm about 2 seconds behind the KOM on this, so I'm going to try and pedal heaps rather than go for style, so we'll see how we go. Definitely lots of fly on this trail. Starts off with a bit uphill. Gonna be going hard for the KOM. Flat turns here to start off, get your wits about you, then we're into the berms. Very tight berm section there. Coming up to a drop, to a nice berm. Big jump here. It's pretty windy. This berm here is really nice. Hook that. Such a fast track. Bit of a screw up there. Pedal to make up for it. Bit of a pedal section here. Oh, bit of pedaling there, went pretty hard. Oh. We'll just have to wait and see if we got the KOM there. I think that's the fastest I can go with still having a bit of fun. Otherwise, she just ain't fun if you're like cutting berms to try to save a millisecond. You got a fire road down the bottom car park, leg out.